Welcome to another edition of Ask Appy. I'm Abhinav Godhar, founder of Appy Pie. Today's question comes from Angela, who happens to work in a law firm in Denver, United States. And she's working as a paralegal over there. And she wonders if she could use Appy Pie's website builder to create a website for her law firm. Yes, Angela, with Appy Pie's website builder, you can certainly create a website for your law firm. We have various features in our website builder to choose from. You can add About Us feature where you can talk about the law firm. You can add the Contact Us feature where you could actually give the contact details of your law firm, which also gives your users or your customers or your clientele turn-by-turn directions to the law firm. We also have another feature called the directory feature, which I think would be pretty useful for you, because I'm assuming you'll have multiple attorneys working at a law firm who would be having different areas of expertise. So you can create an attorney directory where you can mention all the attorneys that are working in your law firm. You can mention the name of the attorney, his specialization, you can give his contact details, you can give his email address, you can give his phone number, and you can also have an appointment integration available in there. So if a customer comes to your website and is interested in a specific attorney and wishes to book an appointment, he can certainly go to that specific landing page of that attorney and book an appointment. It would be also useful to add the testimonials and review pages that we have. In reviews, you can mention the customer reviews that you are getting from different customers and also you can actually mention some case studies in the testimonial section. So those are pretty much some of the useful features that you could leverage to create an awesome legal website for your law firm. If you like this edition, then share it on social media channels like Facebook and Twitter, and do remember to subscribe to our channel.